Welcome to Architect's Dream by Pure Locations. My name is Michelle.
And I'm McKenna, and we're very excited to take you on a tour of this contemporary masterpiece located in Vaucluse, Sydney. Let's go have a look. With 3 towering levels, this home creates a strong presence. Yet in the way that it was designed with such thoughtfulness, it still has an open fluidity that makes for a calm space and has beautiful ties to nature. From the water views to the lush landscaping, this property invites the outside in.
The beauty of this location is the open flow from inside to outside. This blurs the lines between nature and construction and creates for beautiful visuals, especially for our furniture clients looking to elevate their brand.
Architect's Dream is a contemporary ode to the ocean. With modern twists and touches imitating nature, the sea is reflected through all areas of the home, creating grand interiors with a luxurious atmosphere. Six bedrooms, each with their own unique style, this is a perfect shoot location if you're looking to capture several spaces in one. Combining personality and vibrancy, the concrete construction, yet playful pops of color throughout, this home keeps you guessing, always with more to discover. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Architect's Dream, a Sydney home with so much to offer.
To inquire about booking this home, contact the team at Pure Locations. See you on the next house tour.